Next in CSS, we are going to study about fixed position property. So the element which are defined with this property remains at its place and will not scroll even if the page is scrolling. It will remain at its same place. Different properties like top, bottom, left and right are used to define the position of fixed element. So here in head section we are giving style, and within style tag I'm making class. Name of the class is 1, and here I'm giving position to fixed. From top side I want it to be 0 pixel. I want color of text should be red. Font size I want it to be larger. Border to be 1 pixel solid black, and I want its background color to be aqua. Now here in body section I'm creating p class equals to, you can say 1, and here I'm giving chapter 1. Instead of p we can say h1. And here I'm creating p style equals to, first of all I'm giving border 1 pixel solid black, and I want is font style to be italic, and here I'm giving lorem into 50. Lorem into 50. So first save it and click on go live. So this is our element which is fixed. Now I want to give margin here. So for that, here I'm saying margin to 100 pixels. Save it and click on go live. So this is our fixed element. Now we can see that even our page is scrolling, but this element is not scrolling with page. So this was our fixed position property in CSS.